Guys, this is 13th March 2021 IELTS exam prediction, which is 100% true as all the previous predictions were correct. You can check from my videos and also from the questions which came in exam. All the topics were correct and the cue cards which I gave, those were asked to the students. So let's go ahead quickly and find out what kind of question types will be there in 13th March 2021. Let's start with that. The first is listening. In listening, the part 1 will have blanks, which is going to be the easier one, where the fill-ups and one word or two words will be there. You have to fill accordingly. Just make sure that the spellings are correct and also you write it in the proper way. Then we have part 2, which is going to be the short MCQs and map. This is also going to be the easier one. Short MCQs, it means ABCD or ABC, and that will be short, and then you can correct it, you can choose it with perfection. There are tips given in the playlist of listening, just check that. Map is a possibility, a map can come. Then the third one is long MCQs, which is going to be the moderate one. Long MCQs means you have to be very particular about the notes and what do the speaker says. Next is fourth part, which is blanks again, and this is one word only. It is going to be the easiest one. So overall the listening part is easy. Coming to the reading part, in reading we have academic reading, easy, but yes, it is going to be the tricky one. There will be true false not given and answer the questions. It can be in 2 or 3 words. Then passage second and third. In passage third we'll have headings, fill-ups, and this is again going to be the tricky one. Overall the academic reading is going to be the moderate. There will be also match the questions and large MCQs, so just make sure that you correct it in a perfect manner. In general reading, that is going to be the easiest one. So overall academic reading is moderate and the general reading is easy. Coming to the writing part, writing में what type of questions will be there, that is agree, disagree or discuss both, and the important topics will be the school, society, education, youngsters or crime. Task 1 will be easy for both. General task, general students will have formal letter and the other students academic will have table, pie chart. So you practice according to that, and what kind of sentences will be given in that, just make sure that you do it perfectly. I have told you agree, disagree or discuss both type of questions will be there. What type of sentences should be there, just make sure that you write it correctly. In task 1 of academic, I have told that is table and pie chart. Coming to the last part of it, that is the latest cue cards which can come in IELTS on this day. Let's start with the first one. Describe a place you like to visit but you don't want to live there. It can be a place where you want to go there, just visiting that place, but why don't you want to live there? Because that is a quite polluted city, that is quite far from your hometown. You will not be able to come back again. You will not be visiting. It is in the countryside, it is in outskirts. There's so many things. A promise you made to someone, you about yourself or giving something. This kind of promise can be done. A skill that you can teach other people, how to use a phone or how to teach, or how to skydive, any of your hobbies, any of the things that you are competent with, computers, how to use a laptop, how to operate a phone. A hotel you stayed in, very easy topic. And the next is international news you heard recently about the immigration laws, rules, or about COVID, about farmers protest or anything. That would be international news. So these were the cue cards which are the latest one, and you can use that. Make sure that you practice accordingly, and all the best for your exam. Do well. Do tell me in the comment section how did you like it and what kind of questions you were asked. Take care. Bye bye.